po tayo, kids. Please, TWGs, patulong po.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Legit Aprecio. I am an English writer from the Division of Ilocos Sur. I'd like to ask about your personal life, ma'am. How would you describe your life in various perspectives, like as a doctor, as a parent, or as a teacher, ma'am, or an advocate, a health advocate? I just want you to describe your life in various perspectives and also as a kid, ma'am. And you can relate it to sexual education, especially about being a parent.
Okay, being a parent, I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. With regards to the boys, they have a relationship when they were in high school. But then, they were kidded by my husband. If you will impregnate, we are doctors, both doctors, so we try to educate them. And with my little girl, my princess, she's now 23 years old. But when she was in grade 11, I asked her, do you have a boyfriend? She said, MU, Mama. You will understand it. So, at her age, I told her, I will allow you to have a relationship, but then you have to limit yourself with kissing and holding hands. No necking, no petting, no sex. So I told her right away, no sex. I don't want you to be a teenage mom. And because once you become a teenage mom, you will stop your education. So these are the things that we have to tell my child, being a doctor. And one of the things that we have to inculcate in our children is to have faith in God. As long as they are prayerful, teach them to pray, to be spiritually focused, then you are always there to guide them, give them time. Okay? You have, as I mentioned during my talk, you have to have a functional family. So whether your parent is out of the country, you still have to maintain that functionality. What is important is communication. Okay? As a kid, I was a very obedient kid. I am the eldest in the family. We are all 4 girls. So I have to be an obedient child, being an example to my siblings. So I am very obedient. During my time, there was no tutorial, so I have to study on my own. And it inculcated in my mind that I have to finish my studies because I have to help my parents. And this is for my future. And luckily, successfully, I'm so blessed that I have reached this stage. I am already in my senior. I am 60 years old. Okay. That answers your question. With regards to my health, being an advocate, being a doctor, I have loved my job as a public health servant. And as I always say to my co-workers, you love your work and everything will follow. You can serve with love and you can serve more people with compassion.
Ayan, thank you very